artificial intelligence is already changing your life, even if you don't realize it. It's quietly shaping decisions around you every single day. AI is the ability of machines to learn and make decisions similar to humans, processing massive amounts of data in seconds. Think of it as a digital brain that never gets tired and never stops learning from patterns and experience. AI is already part of everyday life, from unlocking your phone with your face to the content recommendations you see. Most of the time, it works quietly in the background, making life much easier and more personalized for everyone. While some roles will change, AI creates new opportunities, making human creativity and connection more valuable than ever. The future is about human-machine collaboration. Learning to work with AI will give you a significant advantage. AI is shaping the future. Be part of it. If you enjoyed this conversation, like and subscribe for more tech talks.